He likes, oh my god, there you go. Oh, Smokey. Hey. You shouldn't be here. Smokey! Right now, because they're not really ready for interaction. Oh man, where are you going? He's spinning. Oh yeah. Hey! I see you. And we didn't dust it off very well. Come on. Step up. Good boy. Don't. Dude, you're a little bundle of You got a noisy neighbor, don't you? Look at that royal kingdom compared to yours. You need to get your place spruced up.
The other bird's just like, what?
Roger! Behave yourself. Get down. He's on it, you know. Hey.
Watch it.
Dude, you're gonna knock it down. No. Leave it alone. I'm so sorry, Smokey. I know. He's a lot. He's your sibling now, though.
Step up.
Watch it, it's not your cage. Where are you? I feel like I feel you, but I don't know for sure. What are you doing? He was like right on my back. He's stuck. Kiss? Kiss? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on? Oh man. I don't think he likes his toys, does he? He does not like toys. Oh no! Everything's falling! Oh. He just put it on my shoulder. Nice. Gonna have to clean that up. We're getting to work soon, I promise. Okay, let's see here. Pens. There's some cute pens. Wait, are these Copics? Buy one, get one. Oh, heck yeah. Hold up. Just Copics white out in the open. Well, I've never seen that at a Michael's before. The green is cute. No bags. No bags. The fuck is a note bag? Oh my god, this is cute.
For shopping at Michael's and markers.
Okay. Look at this. 6.8. I guess. Oh, cute. This is what I came here for. Something to scrape off my stickers. And maybe some envelopes. I'm not sure. got my tea. It's time to go home. Work more on my shop. This is really good. It's called the Sailor Moon. It's a zodiac sign based tea. I love teasers. Oh no.
Charged a 6.5% transaction fee, which equates to $1.30 on your $20 sale. Then, assuming that you're
Hey everyone! We are finally here. We made it. It's Sunday. I think it's... Hold on, what's the date? It's the 16th. I didn't plan to have some kind of like official opening date, but I think I kind of have a date now. So
hold on, I changed this. My shop will be open today, Wednesday 10/19 at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
tomorrow is Monday the 17th, and I finally have my shop open. So it's gonna be on Etsy. I was like dabbling between a website and Etsy finally worked out. So here we are. I'm so excited. I'm so fine. I'm happy it's open. I don't have everything on it. I was gonna sell some stickers, but I failed to have the right like shipping items for it. So all we're gonna be able to sell currently is tote bags and select charms. So let me give you a little tour of what's gonna be on there. One being, I know you guys have been really interested in it, at least some of you have. Here they are, or here it is. It's the Void Kitty tote bag. It is, I think it's 13 by 15. It's a little canvas tote bag. I wish the lighting was a bit better. Got the black strap. And got the inside's not lined, it's just like the material itself, but it's a very sturdy little bag. It has the ability to hold quite a bit of weight as I push really hard on it. So yeah, if you're looking for a cute little Void Kitty tote bag with a select few, or I have like, this kitty's new, and where's the other one at? This guy, right here, the one laying down. I specifically made those just for this bag. So they're not on the sticker sheet, only on the tote bag. And I only have 12 available on my shop. So if you're interested in getting one, I have my link down below, and it's gonna be about $20 or so. Still finishing my prices. Etsy has a lot of fees, and I know it's last minute, but we're working on the prices, and I promise it's not going to be mega amounts of money. So you're looking at about $20, $22. I have to find the middle ground. See, we have, this is going to be an old one. So my lovely Evolution tote bag with shinies and regular, and this is a 15 by 15 tote bag, and it's been like one of my top sellers for the past few years actually. This was the very first tote bag I've ever made. Different material back then, but yeah, this one's interesting. So it's got like, I think it's a canvas material. Look at it! Sorry, talking to the camera. But it's like a canvas strap. And then this one has a lining in it, so it's like a nice blue lining. I like that about this bag. So if you're looking for a bigger bag with the lovely Evolution shiny and regular, you can find it at my shop. And the last few things here. Alright, and here's the last of it. My so this is going to be leftover from, like, they're in the drawers over there, but they're leftover stock. So all this here that you're going to be able to see in my shop is just whatever I have left over from my last convention, which was Sac Anime Summer. So I have a few of these, all my little evolutions here. Victoria is my favorite. And her, Leafeon. I thought I had more, but apparently I only had one. There's the hollow. So she'll be like $12 while the rest will be $10, just because she has 2 designs and the little holographic. I love that. But yeah, I only have one of her. She does not in a bag, but she has her plastic wrap on it. I'm starting to think I left some of my stock in another bag, so hopefully we can find more. But yeah, we'll see these guys in my shop. We got a restock, finally, of my Cult of the Lamb dude, double-sided charm. I love him. I don't want to take him out of the bag just because I don't want to, you know, mess him up. So you know, hopefully you get to see some of the prettiness of him in here. And of course, my noodle animals. So these are new for Sack Anime, and they did pretty well, and I'm so happy you guys like these guys. Raccoon guy, my rabid raccoon, is probably the most popular of the bunch. Because let's face it, he's just everyone's spirit animal with his little rabid face. And yeah, I think the parrot and the dog were other popular ones. I saw one of him too. Little turtle man. The kitty didn't get any love though, so well, that's a bummer. But hopefully someone out there likes you. Oh, whoa, whoa! What just happened? Little bird crisis. Sorry about that. He's okay. He got caught in his toe got caught in some keys. We're about to go get his nails clipped, which I'll bring you along a little bit. But after bird crisis. So I thought I know I only have one sticker. Like this sticker is pretty durable. This guy, my little witch, pumpkin spice witch. I figured for the first. I was going to go about 5 to 8 orders. I'm probably going to hit 8 for my first 8 orders. I'll include this little witch for you, just because fall or like spooky season's getting close to an end, and I'm not sure how I feel about putting her in my shop after like spooky season. So if you're some of the first 8 people that shop at my shop, you'll get one of these guys, and she's very durable. I have her on my laptop. She has like a little laminate on her, so she's water resistant. So you can slap her on a water bottle. It's like a vinyl, matte vinyl, and yeah. Careful with the dishwasher though. I'm not. I haven't tested her in there. You can give it a shot, but I'm not going to make any promises. That's what I got going on for my shop right now. I wish this was a little more official announcement, but I'm not a snazzy artist yet that has the writs, and yeah, well, I guess not every artist is like fancy schmancy. We all just kind of wing it. So I hope you look forward to what I got, the little that I got available at my shop. And yeah, I think that's it for this vlog. It was just a little studio vlog, nothing too extreme. The next one hopefully will have some sticker cutting, because I will be getting sticker shipping supplies. I want to get you guys the flat envelopes so that they're more sturdy and protected. The only reason I selected this one to be a freebie for first few orders is because she's really durable. So until next time, I guess. Bye guys.